Dr. Elizabeth Hayes stared at the quarantine readings with growing disbelief, her hands trembling as she reviewed the data for the 15th time. Around her, the Emergency Command Center of Research Station Prometheus hummed with desperate activity as scientists from across the galaxy worked frantically to understand the impossible. The ancient virus had been discovered in the ruins of a long-dead civilization on the edge of the Andromeda Spiral. Archaeological teams had been studying the site for months when the first cases appeared. Within hours, it had spread across 17 different species, jumping from researcher to researcher with terrifying efficiency. Current mortality rate? Asked Commander Vexthal, his crystalline form flickering with barely contained panic. Dr. Hayes consulted her tablet, her voice hollow. Zephyrians, 100% fatality within 6 hours. Draconians, total organ failure in 4 hours. Crystalline entities, molecular dissolution in 3 hours. She paused, scanning the endless list of casualties. Every carbon-based, silicon-based, and quantum-coherent life form shows the same pattern. Complete cellular breakdown, followed by death. The virus was unlike anything in recorded galactic history. It adapted to each species' unique biology with impossible precision, targeting their most fundamental life processes. Zephyrian energy matrices collapsed, draconian regeneration systems turned against themselves, and even the reality-phasing abilities of the Void Wraiths couldn't protect them from infection. What about the humans? Vexthal asked, though his tone suggested he already feared the answer. Dr. Hayes pulled up the human medical data, expecting to see the same pattern of rapid deterioration that had claimed every other species. Instead, she found something that defied explanation. The humans. She began, then stopped, checking her readings again. Commander, every human researcher on the archaeological team has been exposed to maximum viral loads for 72 hours. And they're developing seasonal allergies. The command center fell silent except for the hum of life support systems. Vexthal's form brightened with confusion. Explain. Dr. Hayes activated the holographic medical display, showing detailed scans of the human research team. The virus is definitely present in their systems. It's replicating, spreading through their bloodstream, targeting their cellular structure exactly as it does with other species. The display showed microscopic footage of the virus attacking human cells with the same lethal precision it had demonstrated across 43 different alien species. But instead of cellular breakdown, the humans' immune systems are treating it like. Dr. Hayes paused, struggling with her translator. Like pollen, they're producing histamine responses, developing mild respiratory irritation, and experiencing what they call stuffy noses. Commander Vexthal's crystalline matrix dimmed to the pale color of existential crisis. A galaxy-killing virus is giving them hay fever. Dr. Martinez reported feeling a bit under the weather and requested additional tissue paper for nose blowing. Dr. Johnson complained about spring allergies acting up again despite the fact that we're in deep space. The implications were staggering. An ancient bioweapon that had likely ended entire civilizations millions of years ago was being casually dismissed by human immune systems as a minor seasonal inconvenience. How is this possible? Vexthal demanded. Dr. Hayes pulled up comparative immune system analyses. Human biology is chaotic, Commander. Their planet subjected them to constant viral evolution. For millions of years, they survived ice ages, plague outbreaks, and extinction events by developing the most aggressively adaptive immune systems in known space. The display showed human evolutionary history, endless cycles of disease, adaptation, and survival that had forged immune systems capable of treating galaxy-ending plagues as minor annoyances. Their white blood cells don't just fight infection. Dr. Hayes continued with growing amazement. They analyze it, adapt to it, and file it away for future reference. This virus represents a biological challenge their ancestors faced and overcame eons ago. A communication alert interrupted her explanation. Dr. Martinez's voice crackled through the speakers from the quarantine zone. Hey Doc, you got any antihistamines up there? This space hay fever is making me drowsy, and we're right in the middle of cataloging these alien artifacts. Commander Vexthal's form flickered between 17 different colors of disbelief. They want to continue working. Dr. Johnson suggested they push through and finish the archaeological survey. While they're feeling a bit sniffly, Dr. Hayes reported. They've asked if we can send down some chicken soup and orange juice. As the galaxy's greatest civilizations fell to an ancient plague, humanity's response was to request comfort food and continue their research project. Commander Vexthal finally understood why the old galactic proverb existed. If you want to survive the impossible, befriend a human. If you want to understand the impossible, study their immune system.